You know you're annoying as hell, right?
Warning.
Hey guys, I have another depressing topic to talk about, and that is Blizzard. You know, the company that makes World of Warcraft, Overwatch, etc. Well, they're kind of being the Apple of the gaming industry. They're restricting things, they're suing people, and they're just making things a whole lot worse for game players. One big portion was the whole private server shutdown on World of Warcraft. That one really struck people right in the hearts because people had those servers to play with friends. And to play with friends is obviously something to have fun over. And World of Warcraft just didn't have that anymore thanks to Blizzard. The way Blizzard is now just isn't like the way they were before. Something changed in the business that made things a whole lot worse for players and themselves. They've started to lose a lot of money. I've actually checked their stocks, and they aren't doing so well anymore. It's just not as people thought would happen. My father plays a lot of World of Warcraft now because of all the new expansion packs. And he still really likes the game, and I can't blame him. The game's really good, and it's 100% MMO, but it's obviously paid for per monthly, which is honestly kind of stupid. It should be just like pay once and then you have the game, like every other game should. But that's just not what Blizzard thinks. It's kind of what Microsoft and Microsoft and Sony are kind of doing with their PlayStation Plus and Xbox Live. It should just be you get the console, you play the game, and that's it. But it's kind of money hogging now. Another kind of pardon me for this other part of the topic, gross part, if people would call it gross, I don't care. Blizzard is starting to send cease and desists against SFM animators for Overwatch. This includes the pornography side and the regular side. Why they're doing this? They probably think it's like a copyright problem, but it's not. It's obviously given credit to the characters and to the game. So I don't understand what the problem is. A cease and desist is for a copyright problem. Generally, it's unbelievable. I can't even think about why they would do this. They're sending out cease and desists for SFM animators who are making pornography of it. I honestly kind of like it. It looks cool. I'm going to be 100% honest with you. I may have saw a couple when I was just searching up Overwatch Reaper, because he's friggin' badass. Just no way anyone can't think he's badass. So I saw a couple, and I thought it was like, that's cool. That's really cool. And then when I heard about the cease and desist to all the other characters and the animations and the general art, I thought that's a little over the top. Yep, alright, cool. Another company that wants more money just because people are making cool things with their characters. This is like the Fine Brothers trying to trademark React. Except the characters are trademarked, but it's called fair use. I know it's not YouTube, but it's still the internet. Speaking of the internet, rule number 34 of the internet. If it exists, there is porn of it. You can't change that. This is the internet. That's a main rule of the internet. It's the 34th one. This is another video where I'm just speechless on where people can go so dumb with this. I'm personally standing up to any animators and artists that are being hunted down by Blizzard and being sued for this. Again, really stupid why they would sue. Oh my god. There are companies I do not like. Blizzard is really close to the top. Apple is, I think, number one. But Blizzard, really, really, really close to the top. And I think they're another company that's money hogging, because they're kind of taking advantage of other artists and animations. They want more money. They want more money. The monthly payment for their games. Oh, that's not enough. Let's start suing people for more money. Donald Trump. Okay. God, that was kind of harsh. No one's as bad as Donald Trump. All right, let's kind of get back to the topic. I'm sticking with people. I'm going to assist people who are having legal troubles with Blizzard. I will, since I'm like my own lawyer and I'm really good with law and all these little bits and pieces of human right and copyrights. I'm pretty sure I know what I'm doing, and I'm pretty sure I can help others that are in this kind of trouble. So that's that for me. That's all I can really help with, because I'm not an artist. I can't draw. I can't animate. But all I can do is speak on my side, speak for whoever is being targeted, and just see where it goes from there. I'm pretty sure Blizzard will just keep going and going and going, because they're Blizzard. They want more money. So that's that. I can't get any more brief. Well, not brief. More serious than I am. Why did I say brief? That sounded really stupid. So that's that. Thanks for listening, watching. Okay, cool.